Hey guys, this is John with Carrot Customs, and today I'm going to show you the latest Cummins conversion truck that we did. A customer brought us this 96 Ford F250 crew cab short bed. It's super cool, love the short beds. It originally had a gas 460 engine in it with a ZF5 manual transmission, and we installed 93 12 valve Cummins and made it to the original gas ZF5 transmission. This engine got a full rebuild, freshly machined, all new gaskets, rebuilt from the bottom up. We did a new injection pump from the Hungry Diesel, along with new injectors. They're 5x.012 injectors, a nice mild setup. We did a turbo from Savage Fabrication. It's an HX35 Super 9, and this is the first Super 9 that I've ran, and I really like it. It's an HX35 body, and it's got a 60 millimeter compressor wheel. It's got a 9 centimeter HY35 exhaust housing. It's been milled out to accept a 67 millimeter turbine wheel, and it spools lightning fast and makes over 40 pounds of boost. It just runs solid. And in test driving, I was not even able to get the exhaust gas temperatures over 1,000 degrees. Granted, that was unloaded, but great running turbo. Here you'll see we're running our AC compressor mount, so you can run the factory OBS Ford AC compressor and all the factory lines. These are available on our website, carrotcustoms.com. We built all the intercooler piping. It's all 3-inch aluminum intercooler piping. We did a custom upper radiator hose to go around the AC compressor. We used a radiator from a first-gen Dodge Cummins, an all-aluminum radiator, that we made mounts for to bolt up to the factory 460 location. And we used both of our battery trays, also available on the website. Relocated the coolant reservoir, washer fluid reservoir mount back, and added a nice little relay box here.